Let's take a quick over a new machine setup. I'll double click on the machine setup. And as in earlier versions, the table icon represents the position where you can define the fixture geometry and fixture position over a table. The part icon allows you to define part position relative to the fixture. Over here, I have defined my fixture. It's a vise, where I can click on the 3D viewer and I can see my Ys. I can do the following. I can see this same Ys in the machine preview. You can note that this Ys can't clamp this part as the jaws are not enough open. So I can flip these jaws and achieve a wider jaw position to clamp this part. I will open my toolkit and I'm going to flip my jaws. You can do it by clicking on the specific component and click on the flip jaw icon. I'll do it then for the both. And now this part can be clamped with this fixture. For this, I'm going to click on the part mounting, where I have my workpiece position over my fixture part mounting point displayed over here. You have a checkbox workpiece mounted. In the earlier version, this was called stock in. You can define the name of the workpiece. And if there are any axes defining this fixture, it will be displayed in this drop-down menu. And this is the position taken from the toolkit. In the Advanced button, you'll have an option of Calculate Orientation and Position, which allows you to do a simple mating your pod over a fixture itself. I'm going to click on bottom face, click over here, and I'll mate. You can repeat the process for other faces too. With this done, there are new options available, and you can click on Auto Close Stock. It will automatically close your jaw according to the stock.